Hello everybody, my name is Ahmed Mashur. So this is gonna be a tutorial on how to set up your Messenger bot environment. So there are two routes here. Either it becomes a PHP script that runs on a server side on a website that's called the Webhook, or a plugin using JavaScript. I won't be getting into that. I'm not sure how to do that much. So this is going to be an English tutorial, though I'm Arabian, I'm from Egypt, but for the others from South Africa or so. So we're going to start by making our app here from developers.facebook.com and a new app, and just give it a name. It's called test.bot. Give it an email. You make a category. Say entertainment. Create app ID. You fill this, and you'll be ready to go. So we need a website. If you have money, and we'll see why we need a website. If you have money, you can just buy yourself a website and you run your PHP script on it. But if you don't, you can always use Heroku just for production. Heroku will be used for production. It's a free web hosting service that gives you a host somewhere in United States, as written here, and you can use it to put your PHP script there, and Facebook will access it. So this is how it will go. When the message will be sent to to that server, the server you'll provide, and Facebook will, and that server in the PHP for processing will send a message to the user through the app. That's you made. It's just me. So let's start. This is the app. We'll just go here and uh, type messenger and add and setup. Then we choose set up webhook. So webhook will ask us our website. It has to be HTTPS website. It's called callback URL. We'll get it from Heroku, or but if we got it from Heroku, we'll be able to actually develop and see the get and post requests. So we'll use Nigrok. Nigrok is just a local for development. It will do tunneling. What's tunneling? You'll have a virtual host using XAMPP, and that host will be tunneled to another server using Nigrok, but it's not safe. So it will be just used for development. It's not safe. It can hack your device or something. After developing and just writing the code in PHP, we'll use Heroku for production. We can just alternate the link whenever we want. So we'll start making the URL. From which one will we start? Let's start with Heroku. Okay, so we go to heroku.com and we'll make a new app here. Create a new app after signing up and all this. You make a name. If you don't, you start typing a name. If you don't really want that, you'll just make up a name. So let's say bot testing app, a website. Bot testing. It can't contain space. Should only contain lowercase letters. Lowercase. Okay. Testing is not available. This says this one is available in the United States, virtually in the United States. Let's say Europe. Create app. Now we'll have an index. So this will be our website. Let's get it from here. Where's our website? Overview. Where's the website? Can't find it. Resource. Services. That will be the website here. Bot testing. Then just Heroku app. it's not the website. Just have to find. Oh, open app here. Open app. Open app. That's the website. So we have to add index.php to it. That's all the scripting will be there. By what? There are three possible ways. We just go and deploy. So the three possible ways is Heroku Get, GitHub, or the Dropbox. I'll use Dropbox. Dropbox is just easy with me. It's the easiest thing. GitHub, I'm not really familiar with GitHub. For who feels comfortable using GitHub, just use it. So I'm gonna use Dropbox. Dropbox will be a folder on your device that you make the script in it and just constantly update it. Connect to Dropbox and you sign in with your Dropbox. If you don't have an account, you can make one and then download the app. You can make yourself an account and you can download the app. After installing it, you'll be having a folder on your device called Dropbox, and you can put anything in it after. So after this, where were we? Yeah, we were here. After this, after signing in, a folder will be added to your Dropbox with it. Here, that folder, apps, Heroku, and here it is, bot settings. So this folder is empty. We'll make ourselves a file in it, and we keep scripting it. The file is gonna be index.php. So I'll use brackets. If you don't know brackets, it's editor for PHP or any other language. So that's what we're making. I'll make a new file. I'll just call it at the end. Save the file as index.php. Just go in Dropbox, apps, Heroku, bot testing, index.php, and it's saved. We're gonna start scripting after we just okay. So we're gonna start scripting. After that point, we'll give the URL to Facebook. HTTPS Heroku, not that URL. That's the URL, without the index. That's the callback URL we make. We have to verify ourselves with a token, so we make a token here and we add it to the PHP. Let's say my token. That's my token. Just a string. That's my token. So in scripting, we'll say in scripting if is set request hub challenge here. I want you to make the challenge variable equals request. It's just pretty much standard taken from Facebook. You'll do that only once. Challenge. We'll echo that for Facebook to know. And we're gonna make token, which is our token, that the one we made. Just get it from here and ask if the token equals it's stuff for Facebook. Here, that's my token. Go here and here, and just echo challenge. Now we edited that index of PHP, so we just have to deploy it to the server of Heroku. How to deploy it? By doing that. Just here it is. Where is it? Connecting to Dropbox as we're connected. So just refresh this web page. Every time I edit the index of PHP, I have to deploy it, deploy the changes. Every time I make a change, I deploy it. So deploy, and then we add our website. Just we'll build the app and add our website here. Just copy it and go to Messenger. Oh, it's there. Okay, it's deployed. It's used. We have to subscribe for choose the fields we're going to subscribe to. Messages, messages, read. Just choose them all, just for testing. Choose them all. And verify and save. There's an issue. It's echoing if is set request. There's something wrong with that line. Just see. If is set request challenge. Can see. Yeah, I forgot. Yeah, I forgot about that quote. Now we've changed it, so I have to deploy again. Is there anything wrong? The Facebook has to verify that challenge is the same number you think it be. Okay, start again. Verify again. It's not working yet. So, oh, I forgot the tags of the PHP. That's why it's not being colored. My bad. Now we deploy the chain again. It's pretty much boring. We'll just deploy. We do that deploying thing using the graph. We'll use Heroku just at the end. I'll tell you why. Verify. Read the HTTP message into solver with the following errors. HTTP says code equals 500. HTTP message. The URL couldn't be validated. Let's see what's the issue here. Oh, I forgot to set up the token. Oh, yes. Sorry, I just set up the token the wrong way. Just do it like this. Request up verify token. Now we're online. Deploy. Not sure. Ready? Now let's verify again. I hope it works. I really do. It's getting boring. It didn't. Let's see why. Just get the code in. Let's try again. Yeah, didn't work. What would be the problem? If echo equals, that's my token. Just echo the challenge. Request. That's request. Oh. Yeah, the brackets. That's my bad. Sorry. That's going. I do a lot of error. I make a lot of errors while scripting or programming. I don't do that much. I'm using PHP of course, but just I use other languages. It worked. Yeah, it worked. So now we get ourselves a token. We set up a page, any page that we want. Let's say test page. Continue. Okay. Now we got ourselves a token. It'll be used for sending any text, and we have to subscribe with the message with the page. Sorry. Now we subscribe. Now we're ready to receive text and send them. but Heroku wouldn't actually help us doing that. So we'll have to use another thing. Why wouldn't he help us? Why wouldn't it help us? Because we have to monitor the post and get requests. The only way to monitor them, we have to be in the server. We have to have complete control on the server. So we're gonna use Nigrok. The server will be ours, and Nigrok will tunnel it for us. We'll use examp for review windows. We're gonna use examp. Download XAMPP. Okay, now you can download it. I've already did that. So we're gonna start it. Control panel. We're gonna start an Apache server. Start. Now we got ourselves a local host, virtual host. So we're gonna download Nigrok for Windows here. I already have it, so I'll just skip that and I'll just get it from here. When starting Nigrok, you need to actually have a token to get the same website every time. If you don't have a token, every time you use it, it will just give you another website. Change the website. So just sign up, give you a name, and give you a token, and you would type nigrok.exe out token, and you type that token to get the same website every time. I won't be using that. I'll just get any random website. I'll type nigrok http on port 8. Now it's working. I cannot close that program while working because it'll just take that website off and it'll take all the thing. That's the website we'll be working on, B9C. I couldn't copy it, so I'll just have to type it. Pause. Here it is. And it's not, yes, now it's working. It doesn't really have a, yeah, it's working. So we're gonna go to our local host, an example here, PHP, not PHP, htdocs, and we're just gonna copy our indexed PHP there from Dropbox. So just gonna copy it, and so I'll just rename that because I need it. So that's our indexed PHP here. It's on that website, Nigrok. Yeah. So now what would we want to do? We give that website to Facebook. By here in Webhooks, we just edit our website. That one will need in the production phase, just at the end. And with our verification token, we'll just here, and that's it. Verify and save. Now we're on. We need to monitor our requests. We need to monitor them. How? So we'll type localhost. That's made by XM 40 inspect HTTP. So the last request here, just forget about that. We'll just see it later. So we just try to send anything to our page. It's called test page. Try to send to it anything. Just here. Hi. And we'll see that there's a post request. Here it is, and give us the data in the data in JSON format. As you can see, there's an entry, then messaging, then sender ID, and message text. There's a text. So we'll get the ID, we'll need them soon, and we'll get the text. How? By let's just say input equals file change file. I forgot the function code it. echo the ID. Let's say input, entry, ID 0, then messaging, was it messaging? Yep, messaging, sender, and ID. So we need the user ID, and we will echo input, still entry, just the same thing here, just because I'm lazy. But it's not messaging, it's message, text. We post ourselves the text, came from user, and we test, and we test. Oh, I forgot something, I didn't save that. Here's our post request. You see the header file. Yeah, I didn't save it, so it didn't work. And we test it again. We inspect it here. Still didn't work. What could be the issue? Now I know why it's not working. I was editing the wrong script. It's not the one in HDoc. So yeah, that's the one. We'll test again. Hi, and just see that request here. You see the summary. The text is hi, and the user ID is that sender ID. We'll use it to actually send him a text back. So that's pretty much it. I hope you got anything out of this tutorial. And yeah, pretty much it. Thank you for watching.